Downloading data from DAZN can be useful for keeping track of your viewing history or managing your account. Follow these steps to download your data. Step 1. Log into your DAZN account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon on name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Locate the download option. In the account settings menu, look for a section related to privacy or data management. Here, you should find an option to request or download your data. Step 4. Request data download. Follow the prompts to request your data download. You may need to confirm your identity or agree to terms regarding the data you are requesting. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from DAZN. This email will provide details on how to access your downloaded data once it is ready. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from DAZN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DAZN customer support for assistance.